All right, we have to set the mindset now for the next few days. Ryan Breton said we need the rain, and this is good.
This is good.
This is good. Just say it over and over again. It'll be true.
And it really, for the first time in a while, our pattern's going to change for warmer and drier.
Okay.
Something
heading into
to
next
look
week.
forward
Yes.
to.
Yeah, so just let the ground take it all in,
Great.
and then we can enjoy the weekend when it's back to sun and warm. Here's a look outside now. The rain that we have this afternoon will just be showers, but it is damp now in southern Maine. Only 48 degrees in Kennebunk. Far eastern and northern Maine, you still have some sunshine up here. Clouds moving into Bangor and Bar Harbor. It is cloudy in central Maine, and there's the rain that's falling now in southern Maine. Occasionally moderate, but most of this is on the light side at the moment. Beginning of the rain starting to get into the Mount Washington Valley as well, and all this will be moving northeast through the afternoon. Chilly to the southwest underneath the clouds and the showers, upper 40s, but where we've seen some sunshine this morning, 57 right now in Calais. So the weather over the next few days is going to be damp, but the rain is not going to be evenly spread throughout the state, and that's because this area of low pressure goes to our south and will tap some moisture to the south and kind of create a narrow area of heavy rain tomorrow afternoon and evening, focusing on southern Maine. So we'll show you that here hour by hour. Through this afternoon, it's cloudy. There are off and on showers. If you have plans late this afternoon and this evening, you've got to be ready for rain, but it's not going to be guaranteed raining every moment of the afternoon and evening. Showers may come and go a little bit. Overnight tonight, we have clouds, drizzle, a little mist, but daybreak tomorrow, there's not much rain out there. And in fact, there may even be a few breaks of sun in eastern Maine tomorrow where you will get the least rain. A lot of the time may be dry here. While to the south and west, watch what happens as we go through the afternoon and especially toward the evening tomorrow. We get with this, what looks like really just a fire hose of moisture coming in off the ocean. And that's going to translate into moderate and even heavy rain over parts of southern and central Maine tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening. It never really makes it up north and east, so you don't get much while it's going to be pouring down here to the south. I will point out exactly where this sets up could wobble a little west or a little east, but almost all of the indications are the wettest weather tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow night will be in about the southern half or so of the state. Then on Friday, the storm system to our south is weakening. It's unraveling, so it'll be showery in the morning, but the trend will be for somewhat drier air to come down and break apart these showers Friday afternoon. So the end of the day looks a little drier, and we may even catch a peak of sun by sunset on Friday. So this is one of our computer models that I think does a good job showing how southern Maine will get quite wet. 2 to 3 inches of rain on the table here, and you can see how it's not evenly spread and it's dramatically lower to the east and north. So this could wobble a little west into New Hampshire or maybe a little east toward the mid-coast, but somewhere in this region we're going to get 2 to 3 inches of rain, and pretty much everything is focusing on southern Maine for those heavy amounts. Then that system gets out, and here comes the weekend. High pressure to our south builds in. We could have a pop-up shower over the weekend, but it's going to be warmer for the weekend and the beginning of next week. Here you see it in the 7-day forecast. Showers this afternoon. Most of the rain tomorrow is in the afternoon and evening in southern Maine. Lingering showers on Friday, but turning drier late in the day. And then 70s and maybe even around 80 by the middle of next week. So we are going to do like a 180, guys, once we get past this rain event. And it would be really good for southern Maine to get those amounts because we have been running pretty big deficits.
Then we will enjoy the sunshine.
Yeah.
Yes.
Sounds very good. All right, Ryan, thank you.
Thank you.